I can do that.
Lovely
Okay.
milk romance.
Ding dong.
Golly gee, my milk is here.
Okay. Oh my God. Was that your voice, A-Pop? Holy cow. Freak. Hey, underage kid. Underage kid. You need some milk?
Why, yes, sir. Calcium intake is important every day.
Slug, refreshing pour. Here you go. Vanilla undecaffeinated milk.
Wow.
You now have the power of the Vanilla King. Use it wisely.
Do you want a tip?
No. Justice need no compensation.
You know, we're paying for the train back.
Alright, since you're being nice about it,
I'll buy a cheesecake.
I'll
with it.
maybe buy a cheesecake with it.
Hello,
Okay.
Kato. Did you finish Mrs. Fujiwara's homework?
Hey, Mako. Yes, I did. I will be working on Mrs. Takeshi's homework afterwards.
Kato, my parents are out of town for tonight. Would you like to come over?
I'm already done with chemistry and physics homework. Thanks for offering a place to study anyways, Mako.
Aw.
Yeah.
Oh, is it just me? Or Kato smells even sweeter than usual.
I don't smell that at all.
How could you not?
Kato obviously gives off more of a nutty, fruity smell. In addition, on Tuesday, he smells sort of spicy. I'm suspecting chicken curry. Or it's time spent then? Cool.
Mommy, now's not the time to boast your ability to smell.
Alright, settle down now. And take your seats. I'm your substitute teacher, Mr. Ida. I want no whispering, no horseplay, no paper planes, no unnecessarily fast notes. Answer with your name and the answer to the question when called. Anyone who does not listen to these simple rules will be going to the principal's office. This is just a stepping stone to my teaching career. I don't want anything spoiling my reputation or disadvantaging me. You, Chapter 3, Problem 37.
Yes, sir. Kato Ozawa, the answer to problem number 37 is
Oh God, go higher. A-Pop, he has more to say later. You can't go higher than that. I don't think.
Watch me.
Mr.
Oh, God.
Ozawa, please see me after class in my office, please. Wear your gym clothes and hide yourself.
Oh my God.
The old Vanilla King.
Which one is most beautiful to you, Kato?
These flowers are the most beautiful. You haven't been plucked at all. Is he always like that?
Yeah, he gives old quotes often. Especially during SpongeBob.
Hey, kid, check this out. Huh? It's a vanilla bean. We let the flower in its course, and it becomes a sweet bean. If you care about nature, this may look chalky, dark, and hard, but what is inside can be sweet, subtle, and bring people together. Continue to every day see the beauty in things.
Nom, 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 nom.
Long ago lived a princess named Leyva. Our princess is the best dancer. Our princess is the most skilled in crafts. That looks like boobs right there. Our princess is the best writer. Our princess is the prettiest woman. Our princess walks most gracefully. Our princess has the best fashion taste. Oh, I feel like she's a bad guy already because she's getting overly spoiled. Our princess is the best cook. Cattle poop out gold after our princess looks at them. Oh, mother, the time has come for me to get married. So which prince should I arrange for you? Prince? You know, I'm a flaming lesbian. The most superb person in the world. No mortal deserves me. I will only marry a god. Most gods are married already. The rain god is still single, as I heard. Leyva, you're the heir to the throne. You can't just leave like that. Don't you worry. I'm sure at least one of my sisters will be happy to take my place. The rain god was rumored to have a mansion by the western border of the world. That idiot, as if a god would marry a mortal so easily. She will come crawling back. I bet she'll return in 3 months. I bet in 3 weeks. This is the entrance to the land of death. The rain god's mansion is behind it. Well, let's go. Hurry up. All right.
That's me, honestly.
Yes, my husbando is waiting for me. Nobody knows what happens if a living person enters the land of death. I think they die. So what? Who will carry my dowry? We want to live. Whatever. I'm so amazing, the rain god will want me without any dowry. Feel free to tell my queen mother you abandoned her daughter, cowards. Whatever. She got lost. Why do they have no road signs? What is a mortal doing here? I'm Princess Leyva, looking for my husband, the rain god. Who are you? The god of death? Ooh. Oh, I've heard about you. So you know how perfect I am, huh? Yeah, of course. Take me to my husband now. Does your husband even know you exist? He will fall for me the moment he sees me, I'm sure. Why is this land so rocky? Every time someone dies, their soul arrives here and turns into stone. Witness this. Maybe you will want to reconsider marrying a god. Why should I? This goddess Rila married a mortal. Eventually he died. This rock is all she has left. She mixes its dust into paint and paints night dreams where she can never get her real husband back. Would you really want to cause your loved one such suffering? After I'm dead, I won't be aware of his suffering, so it doesn't matter.
Wow.
She's so perfect, guys.
My new waifu.
Yeah. Call me if you change your mind. I will lead you back home. That won't happen. I wonder when my husband is going to show up. God, what is with those 3 piercings on top of her eyes? The rain god, he's here. Okay, is that the rain god? That doesn't look like a rain god. And then she goes up and she tries to get his attention and he just walks past. He won't notice you. He's kind of antisocial. I know you. You're the nosy god of harmony. I prefer calling it cool. Don't expect to ever receive his attention. But he must. I'm his wife. What will you do if he never even looks at you? I will stay here until he does. Guess we should get a tent for you then. Why are you opening this fancy trap door? The sun is about to set. This place is where it lands. And the sun just lands inside of this box here. Very interesting.
Wow.
There is an underground tunnel joining the east and west. During the night, the sun goddess pushes the sun from the west to east, so in the morning it can rise again. Whoa. That's clever. Yeah, I invented the system. Okay, when does she die, though? Days pass. You didn't bring me a date? Sorry, I have a husband. He's not your husband. Yet. Years passed. Hey, why don't you marry me? You're a god, too. I've got a wife already, and having 2 wives would mean there are 2 people of the same sex in the same marriage, and that would be very gay, and I'm not gay.
Oh my gosh.
You never visit your wife. Now that's gay. The only gay thing that's ever happened in this garden is our sun goddess. Oh, that's an allusion to Obelisk's comic, and the sun goddess is actually pretty freaking gay. Decades pass, and it looks like she's gotten much older. If I get any older, you might not want to marry me anymore. There's a way to stop your aging. Do it! You will turn into stone. Whatever, just stop it. That's not smart. Once the rain god notices you, you will turn back into human, but also continue aging. So maybe that means she doesn't want to turn back into a human. To this day, statue of Princess Leyva is standing in the garden of the rain god. Many millennia have passed, but she still remains unnoticed. The end.
Wow.
Wow, I like that.
It's called Destitute.
Beauty is the essence of life. Everything can be obtained with the power of beauty. I'm so cute. I'm cuter than most girls in town. Sometimes I even surprise myself.
Hey, Mom, have you seen my gray dress? Go change. I need to be ready in 10 minutes. I'm tired of you wearing my shit.
Hey, man, you're really good at the little girl voice.
Oh my god, yeah. Are you kidding me? You never wear this dress. Can't I keep it just for today? Wear something else.
Change now.
Okay. Ow.
Honey, I've been thinking you should start making arrangements to move out and start a life of your own. Dang, already?
Yes, you're always sweet here in the house and never helping out with the chores. Me and Mother cook all the meals. I love you, but you're useless.
You traitors! Papa! They're conspiring against me. They put me out. Men hands together. Please talk to them.
Dewey, my son, you must become a man. Take this as an opportunity to find yourself. I have faith in you. Now stop touching me.
3 days later.
I'm going to show them I can live on my own. They take for. But first, I need to have tea. Plus the trick is
I made it.
or drink and sleep for 12 hours until I break strength and head out at night.
Okay.
Oh, gee, my shirt!
I'm so sorry. I wasn't watching my stuff and I ruined your shirt. If you come in and allow me to wash your clothes, I would greatly appreciate it. Where did he go?
Over.
Fine,
No, don't do it. You have so much to live for.
I wasn't trying to kill myself. I wanted to clean the shirt with face.
Oh, I'm sorry. I jumped to conclusions.
It's fine. Arm done. I just need to wash my shirt.
Oh,
help you with that. My house isn't too far away. We're almost there.
What is this trash heap? I think I've been evicted.
I think I've been evicted. I guess that plan is out the window. What am I gonna do now? Where do you live? Mind lending me a hand?
You have me bathing in a river. What? We should try together. We'll have no clues.
Sure.
Flap, 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 flap.
Why is yours bigger?
This is so gay. Why the hell is she like, it's not gay?
It's not good.
Okay, Chrono, these two men just decide to travel together. They don't even know each other.
They're friends.
Literally, they walk off into the sunset. That is
Yeah. Hold me. It's called the Snuggle Struggle.
Oh my god, I love it.
There he is putting on makeup in the middle of the night or maybe in the early morning. Text messages are like, hey, you're late. What the fuck? We're opening soon. Where are you?
I like this stagnant. I work and I sleep around. I should want for nothing, and yet I'm unhappy with this.
Next,
We're all lonely, and circumstance exacerbates this loneliness.
Masturbate.
And now I'm meeting this man here. A friend suggested to try it out, to try for something real, meaningful.
Michelle. Chad.
Yeah?
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Thanks for meeting me.
She thinks you're awfully nice. Corey thought it'd be good. This has been nice.
Wow, that was a quick succession.
Yeah.
Thanks. It was really fun.
He was nice. It was odd to go out somewhere and not feel like something was expected of me. Probably my first date in a long time that didn't end in a bed. I worried at first. I haven't dated because I didn't want to be disappointed. Not in someone or myself. But he was nice in a way I haven't seen in a while. Engaged me. He didn't pretend to be interested. He was interested in what I had to say. And I was interested too. In his words, his smile, I'd love to see him again. I don't want to fuck up.
I'm really glad we got to hang out.
Me too. We should do it again. Thanks for such a good time.
Thanks for giving me a chance.
Thanks for taking a chance on me.
It's not a thing at all. Corey told me about you, and I was hooked. You really outshine what she said about you. Oh, God! Oh, wait! Oh!
That lasted long.
Wait, is he
Yeah.
bruised?
Yeah.
I got on my knees for him, and he got what he wanted from me. He wasn't afraid of a long con. There goes 6 months. What a fool. God, how he took advantage of you.
Oh, lost our soul.
Would be so easy to stay sad and get angry, but I won't. I'll get even. I'll make him hurt. I'll feel his heart pound before I run him through.
Wait, what? What is happening? Oh, okay. That's happening.
I wish it were more satisfying. Revenge just burns a hole in you deeper than before.
Masturbate to the problem.
You should have just let us keep struggling.
Exasperates the loneliness.
Exacerbate. They're different words.
Whatever!
This is called I Want Sensei.
This is it. My first undercover job as a teacher at a private all-girls school. Why do I have to do this? Damn that chief. I'm not really a teacher despite my looks. I'm actually a newbie cop. Nowhere near qualified for this profession.
Go be a teacher. You have a teaching degree, right?
My department received a special assignment, and because I was suitable for this position, I was pushed to this. Damn, this was not my job description. This practice to observe to show Ross, daughter of ex-crime boss of the Ross family. There has been rumor the Ross family have been acting out, so my job is to watch any suspicious activity from the daughter. I'm not really good at being sneaky. I hope to just do paperwork at my department. She really is pretty.
Oh, she bumped right into her. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, wait, she's gonna see her picture. So she bumps into the girl she's trying to watch, and then the girl notices that her picture is there,
and then she goes, sorry.
Right, and then she's like, oh no, I dropped something, ha 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 ha, and then she bumps into someone else, and someone says, sucks. And they says, let's see you around, whoever that person is. And that person's like, wah. And that person's like, I think I something. And then someone puts their hand to her. They're like, you good? And then that person is this cute girl with, I think, glasses or something. And she's like, are you okay? And the teacher's just enamored with every pretty girl here. And the girl's like, you must get off the damn floor, dark, damp floor. It's a waste of a mess fap of it's dirty. Ding dong. Oh, class is starting. It's better for me to set to class. Oh, yeah. Bye, sensei. Oh, it was sensei that she meant. Okay. She is pretty. Okay, well, apparently she thinks everybody's pretty. She is pretty. Why are there so many girls? Pretty girls. And then it's 8 o'clock. I'm late. She's still late. That's hilarious. And then she bumps into another pretty girl. Are you okay? And then she's surprised because she's pretty too. And then someone's like, hey, you okay? Oh. And then there's a person who grabs onto her. Thanks, gotta go. You're on a duty. I think she got in trouble for being late. Then she stands outside and she's like, oh, I hate school, even though I have a teaching degree. And then this other girl is standing there with like large bangs and she's not saying anything. She's like, are you okay? Oh yeah, sorry to worry you. And then she just kind of stares awkwardly. And then she's like, this is so awkward. I'm glad you're okay. Oh, she's cute. Oh no. That is a pretty mole right there. And then, look, it's like a dating sim game. Like you meet every single potential girl that you can date on the first day. And then she just smiles, and like the girl's like, "Oh no, everybody's so hot." And someone's like, "Okay." And then sweet waifu's like, "Take my money, Skylar." All right, okay, get in here, you troublemaker. And then the girl's like, "When? Why? She's so cute, a little edgy, but cute." Oh, class. And then she runs to class, and she's late again. And then she's introducing herself. She's like, hello, and then she's surprised.
And those are all the girls that she met.
Wow.
In the hall.
What a coincidence. Okay.
Yeah, look at the next page. Not the next page.
Oh, and then I guess somebody like threw a piece of paper at her. Oh, wait, never mind. What's with that piece of paper attached to her uniform? Whatever. All the cute girls I met in the same class? What the hell is up with this coincidence? And then somebody's like, Sensei, yes? Good morning. And I guess that's it. Well, I had expected a lot more porn, and I wish I had gotten to it.